it comes to PROMIXING, you don't really need so much. You don't need so much. Fine, it depends on your base. The base you're using to PROMIX matters a lot. But I see so many people pouring heaven and earth into their lotion. You don't need that. Welcome back to my channel. So this is HBM Organic Beauty. In case you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I have a very interesting topic to discuss with you about. So I went to the market, and because so many people have been asking me to do reviews on best concentrate or serum they can actually use to boost their lotion, especially my students. Apart from teaching you organic formulation, I also try to teach you a little bit of PROMIXING and how you can actually make your cream from scratch. And in case you're a brand that does whitening products, I also teach you how you can actually try to do semi-PROMIXING and do it in a way that your client's skin will pop and your client's skin will actually whiten in a natural way, like not having uneven skin tone and all that. So I just let me make review on this serum so that I'll be able to tell you good serum I did my discovery on, and based on review, because I have this customer that sells products, and most of the time when I need some serums, let's say for an instance I want to make a customized cream, at times a client can come and say, oh HBM, I want a customized cream, like I want you to give me this, I want you to give me that, and most of the time they just want to use this serum. So I have a customer, I get this serum, and believe me, whenever it tells me to take this, I take it, and the serum happens to work out perfectly. So he sells the serum to me based on reviews from the people he has sold to, so I really trust his instincts. So before I dive into the video, I want to remind you that our online skincare class is ongoing, so register so that you can be able to be a partaker in the online skincare class. You want to learn how to make lotions, you want to learn how to make soap, toners, glow oil, different formulas. Believe me, you're not going to regret joining my online skincare class. It is super affordable. What you'll be getting from that class is super more than the registration fee you'll be paying. So if you know you want to enroll, kindly enroll. And our body enhancement class is also ongoing. You can do the classes online, you can come and do physical classes with us. Another thing is that I am taking out everything spirituality out of this channel. I'll be moving it to my second channel, HBM Uche. So if you've not followed me on that channel, so go and follow me on that channel. Everything Kayamata, aphrodisiac, love and attraction, soap, do as I say. I still have a whole lot of content that are super effective. I'll be dropping on that channel based on spirituality. So this channel is specifically, I want to leave it for body and enhancement and skincare, so I don't want to alternate it. I thought about it and I feel like no, I just had to move everything spirituality to the other channel. So please follow me on that channel so that whenever I drop videos on how you can make all your kind of aphrodisiac, you'll be updated. So let me talk about this concentrated serum. I'm actually talking about concentrate, but there are strong whitening concentrate. Please do not go and rub this concentrate on your skin only. It has to be mixed with your lotion. So number one concentrate I'll be talking about is our L-glutathione oil. So this L-glutathione oil contains vitamin C, it contains glutathione, it contains collagen, it contains Q10, and it is a whitening glutathione oil. So even on the body of this oil, this whitening oil, they indicated that this oil, this strong whitening oil, this concentrate should be mix. So please do not go and apply this oil on your skin. I know why I keep saying do not apply this oil on your skin only, because I know so many people, most people, they are so desperate to whiten their skin that they don't even mind what kind of thing they apply on the skin. In as much as it will whiten them, they don't mind. So by the time they now try that, they come back having green vein issue and all sort of issues, and they will come back to your channel and start commenting some kind of nonsense comments saying, I tried it gave me green vein. Did you listen to how I said you should use it? No. So this has to be mixed with your lotion. It is a good strong concentrate that you can actually use to pro-mix. Okay, so let's assume you're making a cream from scratch, or you have a very good base and you want to activate this base, you want to activate your cream, you want it to whiten your skin. This will whiten your skin. If you know you don't want to whiten your skin, do not use this concentrate I am mentioning. So this will actually whiten your skin. So if you know you want your lotion to be a very strong whitening lotion, add L-glutathione oil. So the number 2 serum I'll be talking about today is your pigment dose. Yes, we have different kind of pigment dose. I'll be dropping the pictures of all the serum up on the screen so you can see. Pigment dose, I've gotten plenty review even from my closest friend. Like from my closest friend, they will tell me HBM pigment dose now fire. You know, if you know you don't want to whiten your skin, don't use pigment dose. Okay, if you don't want to whiten your skin, don't even try. At the end of this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can actually use these serums. Okay, I'll be explaining to you how you can use them. You don't just carry this serum and pour into your lotion anyhow. Don't try it, please. So that if you want to whiten your skin flawlessly. Your skin will look lighter, but it will look healthy. It will not look it will look bleached. It will look healthy. Okay, so pigment dose is a very good concentrate. If you know you want to make whitening lotions, you want to make lightening lotions, you don't want to use too much of your lightening active, you can just add in your pigment dose. But mind you, pigment dose will turn your lotion to have this yellowish color. Pigment dose is my second best whitening concentrate you can actually use to activate the whitening effect of your cream or lotion. So another whitening concentrate on my list is called Glutamic Acid. This concentrate is too powerful. Please do not use this concentrate anyhow. If you know you don't want to lighten your skin, sorry, you don't want to whiten your skin, don't try any of this concentrate. Please don't try it. So Glutamic Acid is a very good and strong concentrate that you can actually use to, you know, pro-mix your whitening cream. It actually contains lavender extract, it contains kojic acid, it contains lavender oil, it contains vitamins. So it's a very good concentrate that will not damage your skin. It's, in fact, the color of this concentrate look a little bit pinkish or purple. I don't really know how to explain the combination of this both color. I've explained, but that is how it look like. I'll be dropping the picture up on the screen so that you can see. So like I said, the name of the serum is Glutamic Acid. So the serum is a strong whitening serum. It has to be mixed in a lotion. Do not use it alone. So my number 4 serum on the list is alpha arbutin serum. I actually use this serum to make a face cream, to make one of the face cream I pro-mix on my YouTube channel, on this channel. So you can just check the videos. You're going to see that videos. I made a whitening face cream, and I use this concentrate to pro-mix the face cream, because this concentrate is an alpha arbutin concentrate. It contains alpha arbutin. It can be used for face, it can be used for body, and the color of it is actually pinkish. You can see it up on the screen. It's looking pinkish. So if you want to buy, just make sure you buy exactly this one. So for this particular one, you can use it for your face and body, but for every other serums I've been talking about, use it strictly for your body. But for this alpha arbutin, okay, you can use it for your face and body, because I've actually used it for face before and it came out well. So you can use it for your face and body. So the last but not the least, the number 5 concentrate I'll be talking about that you should give a trial is Glutathi Intense Whitening Concentrate. If you've not used this concentrate before, you've not used concentrate, so just try out this concentrate. This concentrate is highly, like, imagine when they said intense whitening, it is extremely whitening. Warning, if you don't want to whiten, do not near this concentrate. So this concentrate is very good for skin whitening, and this concentrate also, you can actually use this particular concentrate on the face. So you can combine this concentrate with alpha butane and use on the face. So I can still vouch for these 2 concentrate, but make sure you're buying the original one. But you see, for other concentrate I've mentioned, please strictly on the body. Now I know that you will want to ask me one question. You want to ask me that, can you use all these 5 serums together? Can you use all these 5 concentrates together in one lotion? Please, it is too much. See, when it comes to PROMIXING, you don't really need so much. You don't need so much. Fine, it depends on your base. The base you're using to PROMIX matters a lot, but I see so many people pouring heaven and earth into their lotion. You don't need that. PROMIXING is you don't need much, because you're PROMIXING into a cream that we believe is already a little bit active. So why adding heaven and earth into that cream? So if you want to PROMIX, please do not carry 10 bottles, 15 bottles of serums and you're pouring all together into your lotion without even knowing the components of each of these serums. See, each product have their different compositions, so you shouldn't just carry and pour like that, because at the end of the day you will end up even causing more harm to your client's skin or to your skin. At the end of the day, you will end up reacting and you will not even know where the reaction is coming from, because you use 10 or 15 bottles, different types of products that you mix together. So if you want to PROMIX, please just use like 3 serums. You're good to go with 3. Do not exceed 3. Left for me, if I even want to PROMIX, I don't exceed 1, so that in case anything happens, I'll be able to trace out where the fault is coming from. But when you mix 10 bottles together, you will not even know any product to hold liable for whatever reaction that comes on your skin. The truth is that I will keep saying it, that if you know how to formulate skincare product from scratch, then PROMIXING is minor. I keep saying that because I know what I'm talking about. See, as I am, most people will say they want to go and learn PROMIXING. In fact, if I see some of the PROMIXING some people teaches, like, I will like, what the heck? Man, people are trying. If you see so many things some people mix up, all in the name of their selling skincare products, please, how much profit do you make mixing up different products? Do you know that there is no profit that is as high as or as sweet as you making your skincare product from scratch with your ingredients than you buying expensive lotions, using them as your base, then you will now buy 15 serums and pour inside it? Well, that's matter aside. So let me just concentrate on what I'm here to do today. So now, do not exceed 3 bottles of concentrate if you want to PROMIX concentrate into your lotion, so that you'll be able to figure out where problems or where fault is coming out from, in case there is any. For body, you can use the first 3 serums I mentioned. Then for face, you can use the alpha butane and the Glutathi Intense Whitening Serum I talked about. Now you can actually use it for body also, but in case you want to add it into your face cream, you can also do that. So I just hope I'm able to pass important vital information into somebody's head. Yeah, especially if you're out there and you're my student, I hope I've been able to answer one of the biggest questions that you guys are willing to get the answer. And if you are a skincare formulator out there, okay, I hope I've been able to help somebody out there. And before I forget, please, how do you determine the quantity of concentrate you are to use when you're pro-mixing a lotion? Let me just advise you. You cannot be making a lotion of 200 ml, then you carry a concentrate of 200 ml and pour inside it. It doesn't make sense. Okay, let's assume that you're making a lotion and the lotion is 200 ml. To make up that 200 ml of lotion, okay, let me just help you out. You need 150 ml or gram of your base, or whatever cream you want to use to make a base. Then you need 50 ml of your concentrate. Now if you want it to be extremely whitening, I will say you should do it like this. You need 120 gram or ml of whichever base you want to use. Then add 80 gram or 80 ml of all your concentrate, like all your 3 concentrate or 1 concentrate you choose to use. So it's just as simple as that. By the time you use your concentrate this way, you're not going to come out looking all bleached. Like, your concentrate will work very well for you, because even on the bodies, on the bottles of this concentrate, on their body, it is indicated that the concentrate should be mixed into a lotion. Do not use concentrate on their own. They are going to turn you into what you don't expect. So thank you so much. I wish you enjoyed this video, and if you've not turned on your notification bell, turn it on so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And if you've not followed me on HBM Uche, go and follow me now, so that you will not miss out those important videos. So many important videos will be going on there, so that you don't miss out those important videos. Okay, so thank you so much. See you. Bye.